Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a brief review of 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. 579 times 8 is our first example problem. We're going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. I'm Mr. Camilleri, and this is the Mr. Camilleri Show. So we're going to start by multiplying the digits in the ones place. 9 times 8. 9 times 8 equals 72. Because our product is more than 10, we have to regroup. So the 2 and 72 is going to go in the ones place. The 7 and 72 is going to get carried over to the tens place. Next, we multiply 7 times 8. And then the 7 that we carried over, we have to add that to our answer. So 7 times 8 equals 56. 56 plus 7 equals 63. Again, we regroup because our product is more than 10. So the 3 and 63 goes in the tens place. The 6 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 6 is 46. And we have our final answer. 579 times 8 equals 4,632. We are moving on now to the next example problem. All right, next example. $483 times 5. So we start out by multiplying the digits in the ones place. 3 times 5 equals 15. 5, carry the 1. 8 times 5 equals 40 plus 1 equals 41. 1, carry the 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 is 24. And we have our final answer. 483 times 5 equals 2,415. All right, moving on now to example number 3. Not sure what happened to my eraser. I had it and now all of a sudden I can't find it. But we improvise. Oh, now I see it. All right. All right, 732 times 6. That's our next problem. Example number 3. All right, so we are starting in the ones place. 2 times 6 equals 12. We regroup because our product is more than 10, so the 2 and 12 goes in the ones place. The 1 gets carried over to the tens place. 3 times 6 equals 18. Plus 1 equals 19. The 9 and 19 goes in the tens place. The 1 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 7 times 6 equals 42. Plus 1 equals 43. And we have our final answer. 732 times 6 equals 4,392. All right, moving on. Problem. 854 times 7. So we start out in the ones place. Four times 7 equals 28. 8. Carry the 2. 5 times 7 equals 35, plus 2 equals 37. 7, carry the 3. 8 times 7 equals 56, plus 3 equals 59. And we have our final answer. 854 times 7 equals 5,978. All right, I'm going to do one more example problem, and then we're going to call it a video. Finally found my handy dandy eraser here. $724 times 6. So first we multiply 4 times 6. The number's in the ones place. 4 times 6 equals 24. Again, because our product is more than 10, we have to regroup. The 4 and 24 goes in the ones place. The 2 gets carried over to the tens place. Two times 6 equals 12, plus 2 equals 14. So the 4 and 14 goes in the tens place. The 1 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 7 times 6 equals 42, plus 1 equals 43. And we have our final answer. 724 times 6 equals 4,344. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, this will probably be the final problem of the video. 952 times 2. So starting out in the ones place, 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we do not need to regroup because our product is less than 10. We only regroup when our product is 10 or more. 5 times 2, multiply that next. 5 times 2 equals 10. For that one we do need to regroup. The 0 and 10 goes in the tens place. The 1 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 9 times 2 equals 18, plus 1 equals 19. And we have our final answer. 952 times 2 equals 1,904. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.